Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the Qubo Dash Cam and ensuring it has a proper micro SD card. This is where recordings are stored, so use class 10 or better. Once powered, the camera broadcasts a Wi-Fi SSID and a temporary password. Write them down. Meanwhile, install the Qubo Companion app on your phone and enable Wi-Fi and location services. The app needs these to discover the camera. After that, make sure your phone is no longer connected to cellular data for a brief moment so the app can focus on the device. You now connect your phone directly to the Dash Cam Wi-Fi network. Go into Wi-Fi settings, select the camera SSID and enter the shown password. Once connected, return to the app. The app will detect the camera and prompt you to pair. Tap Allow and grant camera, storage and location permissions so live view and file transfer work. If the app suggests a firmware update for the camera, approve it. Updates fix bugs and improve connectivity. Once pairing completes, test the live stream and basic controls. You finish by configuring the camera inside the app. Set a recognizable name, correct time zone, and choose whether clips auto-upload or stay on the micro SD card. This affects data use and backup. Then test by viewing live feed and downloading a short clip to confirm playback. If things go wrong, try the key troubleshooting tip. Reboot both the phone and the dash cam, forget the camera SSID and phone Wi-Fi settings, then reconnect and repair. This clears lingering network conflicts and usually resolves pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.